This is a brand new 2013 Ram 3500. This truck has an automatic transmission, an inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, the Uconnect infotainment system, aluminum wheels, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, cruise control, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Vernon Auto Group is located at 2803 Wilbarger Street in Vernon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.